Okay, folks, here we are. It's about to get real. SoFi's earnings are in the morning, and we have to break down everything that you need to know about their earnings. And of course, we're going to break down the stock chart, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100, and you get 5 free stocks. And once you deposit at least $2,000, get this, guys, you get 25 more free stocks, totaling 30 stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Check out the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get into it. So on Friday, let's talk about this for a second. SoFi went down a little bit, like the entire stock market did, right? SoFi went down 11 cents on the day, and we had all the indexes, the S&P, Dow, and the Russell, right? Yeah, those all went down 0.3%, and the QQQ, NASDAQ 100, went down the most, 0.6%. Roughly the same here as SoFi, and we almost hit a fresh high, or actually I think we might have hit a fresh high Friday morning. Not an all-time high, but a high on the 4-hour chart, and then we sold off for the rest of the day. And let me double check. I'm pretty sure that is a high. Yeah, it is a high on from Friday. We hit a high 1842 here. So keep in mind, guys, we're up a good chunk heading into earnings, right? We're up about $5 a share, or I guess at one point we were up $5 a share, about 36%. And now, it's pretty much up 30% or 32, whatever it is. Still, it's up a lot, guys, up a lot at this point, right? And earnings, like I said, are tomorrow in the morning, and we're heading into earnings already breaking out. This is big here, guys, because like I've said in previous videos, now that we're already seeing all of this momentum building up, all it takes is a grand slam earnings report and very good guidance to send this thing to $20, $20 plus. I think if we get a grand slam earnings report, guys, that's where we could be going. $20, maybe higher. And that would be insane. I mean, that would be unbelievable. We'll see. That's like the best case scenario at this point. We go over $20 on a grand slam earnings. Let's say earnings aren't the best, right? Or maybe they're good, but not good enough to get us over $20. We might hang around 17, 18 for a little bit, 16.50. I'm cool with that as well. And if earnings are awful, I don't think they will be, but to play devil's advocate, if they are, we might be going $14 again, $13 again. But let's see how earnings are first before we come to that conclusion, right, guys? So let me pull this up quickly here, and we'll dive into some numbers. Bear with me here, guys, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe while I pull this up. We are going to make probably 2 SoFi videos tomorrow, one in the morning as the earnings come out, and one after the close to see how the stock played out. So make sure to subscribe if you want to get those updates tomorrow. So as of right now, guys, SoFi is chilling at a market cap of just a hair under $20 billion, which, I mean, just about 3, 4, 5 months ago, not too long ago, we were under 10 billion. So it's come up a good chunk in the last couple of months, more than just a good chunk, guys. I mean, this thing is up big time. The stock's up a lot. The market cap has grown. And like I said, if they report great numbers, a grand slam report, not only could it go to $20 a share, but it could go to $20 billion of market cap, which, I mean, guys, that would be unbelievable, right? So that's where we're at now, 19.4 billion market cap. And coming over here to the statistics page, bear with me here, guys, as I'm still, getting over this little cold I have. Hopefully by tomorrow, Tuesday, it'll fully be gone here. But the market cap, again, 19.45, and this shows you just where it was not too long ago, guys. Market cap was 8.5 billion last quarter, right? It was 6.99 the quarter before that, 7.71 the quarter before that. So we've come up a lot, and the forward PE has come down a lot, which is good. I mean, it was at 180 about a year ago or 2 years ago, whatever that was. And now we're at 61 on the forward PE. Trailing PE is at 150, which that's going to come down over time as the company grows into the valuation, obviously here, guys. And coming down to the analysis tab so we can get some more insight on analysts, kind of what the price targets are here, the estimates for earnings, revenue, all that good stuff. Analysts right now, as of January, guys, we have 18 analysts here on Yahoo Finance covering the stock. As of now, 8 of them have the stock at a hold, as a hold. 4 of them have it as a buy. 1 has it as a strong buy. And we have a couple sells. It looks like 2 sells and 3 underperforms. Not too bad. But for the majority, guys, like it has been for the last couple of months, analysts are leaning more towards a hold rating, which makes sense considering how much the stock has gone up, right? And looking at the price targets here on Wall Street. Cheers, by the way, guys. Got some coffee in my system just now. Gotta love it. Looking here at the price targets, guys, the average price target is $12.60, and the high is $19. So we're pretty close to the high price target on Wall Street, and we're far from the low, which is $5. We're well away, well off that low now, aren't we, guys? And coming down here to the estimates, almost forgot what I was going to say there. Based on 3 analysts here, average estimate for earnings per share is 4 cents. The low is 3 cents. The high is 4 cents. And, well, last year they did 4 cents. That's for the current quarter. And for 2024, 12 cents is the average versus last year they did negative 8 cents. So for the current year, it's going to be good year over year, 2024 compared to 2023. But for Q4, pretty much the same year over year for EPS. And let's see here, guys. Revenue, revenue, let's see. Based on 10 analysts, average is $682 million. The high is $712. And last year they did $594 million, putting them growing at 14 to 15% projected as of right now, right? So we'll see how that plays out for SoFi here, guys. And for the current year, now that we're about to get Q4, we'll have the current year numbers. $2.57 billion is the average for revenue. And last year they did $2.07 billion. So they're expected to grow 24% year over year when it comes to revenue. 2024 compared to 2023, which honestly, guys, that's pretty good. That is pretty good, if you ask me. And I think it's going to get better as we keep on going on here. So you guys know I'm long SoFi. I've owned it for over a year at this point, and my average cost is $6.80. And with me being in at a low average cost, I have all this green, all these gains built in. I'm in a comfortable spot. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I'm just keeping it real. I'm looking at this like, all right, I'd be cool either way, whether it goes to 20 or whether it collapses to 13. I'd be fine with it, right? Because either way, I'm going to be up, and either way, I have options. You know, if it goes up to 20, I'm going to hold, right? I'm chilling. But if it dumps to 13, 14, whatever it is, now I'm in the position where I'm like, okay, I can add more to my position, right? If it slips even further, I can add more to my position. So that's my mindset right now with SoFi, guys. I'm not looking to sell, not looking to buy more at these levels. I'm just holding on. And I'm curious kind of your outlook on earnings, what you're doing with your position. Feel free to let me know, guys, down below in the comments. And yeah, might as well wrap it up here. We're going to do another update in the morning, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button here on the video, guys, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. And I got to clear my throat, man. What's going on? Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. Totaling 30 stocks, guys. Unbelievable. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Get on the deal. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.